Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have built your site and want it to show on your own domain name, not a temporary URL, connecting a domain to GoDaddy website builder is straightforward in 2026. So as long as you follow the right steps for where your domain was purchased. Okay, so most issues come from DNS confusion, not publishing or mixing up multiple sites. So we'll avoid all of that. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to connect a domain to GoDaddy website builder in 2026 like a pro. So first thing, identify where your domain was purchased. Okay, so this matters a lot. Choose your case. So for example, we have domain bought from GoDaddy. Okay, so this is the easiest. We have case B, or the second case, domain bought elsewhere. So for example, Namecheap, Google Domains, etc. Okay, so it requires DNS changes. So don't skip this step. Wrong instructions equals broken site. Okay, so connect a GoDaddy domain. So if your domain is already with GoDaddy, log into GoDaddy, go to website. Okay, your website, so we have to sign in. Edit website. Okay, so you will have a page like this. Tap settings. Okay, go to domain. Here we have to find it in this section. Okay, so select your GoDaddy domain, click connect. GoDaddy links to the domain automatically and SSL is enabled automatically. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.